Hey, it's Crazy Boop here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're learning how to do manual line breaks in Excel. Heads up, this is not the same as the auto-wrap text we did last time. This trick has its own must-have purpose. Enough chit-chat, let's get into it. Take this employee information table as an example. When we type long text like addresses, we always run into problems. Let's say we type the street name, then we want to hit enter to start the next part of the address. But if you hit the enter key like usual, it just jumps down to the cell below. That's so annoying. And if you just keep typing without breaking the line, the text spills out of the cell like this. Now let's try the auto-wrap text we learned last time. Oh, it looks like it works. But hold on, the line breaks are in the wrong place. That's when we need the manual line break trick. First, turn off auto-wrap text for now. Double-click the cell you want to edit. Then click exactly where you want the line to break. Now press Alt plus Enter. Good. The text breaks exactly where we want it. Hit it again. Done. Perfectly formatted. Alright, that's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one.